Hello folks and welcome to my channel where we jump into the internet to find out what is currently trending. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment. A quick tutorial on how to change skin color. I just want to say that the silent laugh is always the best. I didn't expect a bamboo-eating panda can be so satisfying. This cat looks like a small dinosaur and the other one looks like it has flashbacks. At first I thought I was imagining it. I guess you could call it attempted murder.
Hey, leave her alone. Oh, baby. Oh my God, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh.
I like how the crowd quickly hid this kid. I'm not surprised by this dog. That guy said it in a sus way.
Here you go, Rocky. I know how much you like wieners.
Just look at this transition. It looks great. It's amazing how perfectly it matches the music. That last bark is the best. When you and your friend love drama. Did someone say there's no fishing in the middle of the city? I hope he didn't try to throw it back in.
When you go down.
These folks witnessed a volcanic eruption. Just look how loud and scary shockwave is.
Watch out for the shock, it's coming.
I hope you had fun. Subscribe, leave a like and comment. See you next time.